Good morning. Happy Canada Day. Welcome to ABC 103 Trader. It is about 7 minutes before the open. And let's start taking a look at the futures today. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimers. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, let's start taking a look at everything here. Let me just switch some screens here. Alrighty, good morning. Let's take a look at the CNBC News, see what's happening here. Stock future slip after the S&P worst first half since 1970. Everything looks like it's still kind of going down, it's very quiet today compared to yesterday. Okay, and that's all I want to show you on the first page, and then let's get into the markets themselves, and then I'm going to start talking to you about certain things here. Okay, let's transition. Alrighty, good morning. I did a video yesterday, and it was a fast video what I want to show you, and guess what? I left it on the front screen the whole time, so I have to delete the whole darn video. So anyways, what we're going to look for is market is going down, but I think this might be a recoup day for a little bit. So we might be able to get the, well, I'll say from 5 to 7, or she might just crash down to the previous level. We'll find out right away here. It's kind of in that iffy zone. And basically what I want to try to do is I want to try to follow the sell opportunities. But right now it's in a retrace right now. And we've got to try to figure it out. So let's go to 60-minute chart and let's take a look where we are right now. So you can see, what was it? This was yesterday's sell-off. And then now they're trying to recoup up. Maybe we might go to possibly there, somewhere in that zone. Even maybe right about there, somewhere right around in that area. So 50-point surge, unless she really explodes. You can see where volume put of control is in this area. Not volume put of control, but where you can see the order blocks are really close in that zone. So we know we're going to try to get in that area if it does do a retrace, and then we got to watch if it breaks 350. And let's crunch this back and look where 350 and this one tapped. So we know, and let's look farther to the left. Next zone of interest, of course, is going to be here and here. So let's just put them there for now. 2 and 3, so you can see where that zone is. Okay. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart. And see, this is what I don't like, guys. See, we're trying to fight against the trend. And it all depends if we can break, I guess 11,466. That's the VWAP right now. So summer, yeah, it's all in this zone. Might be really choppy. We'll find out. But we have a big retrace. If it does retrace, it might tap here. But then we're fighting in the cloud. I don't like that. So as you can see, it tried to break the cloud once, tried to break the cloud twice, and then she failed. And how many waves have we had? Look at this. Well, that's since the New Year's. So now where are we? We are, okay, so we are a little bit negative. So we did hit positive with a major sell-off. There's that 66, 67. We're at volume point of control. There is that area of interest. Let me see here. If it does sell, we got a long way to push down to the long entry area, which is good. But as long as we break this area, then we got a couple of swings here to the bottom. So we're going to find out. If she starts crashing right away, I might jump in right away. So we'll find out. I'm going to close that screen. And let's see if I have any other screens that I can show you. I'll show you this one right now. How many minutes? 3 minutes before the open. Let's see here. Where can we go? So we are above the 50 to get to 127. It's been so crazy this past little while. We got a lot of volume here, bottom volume there. Delta is pushing up, so we have to watch and see. This thing is still pushing up here, so we have to really watch. And we are starting into the sell side, so we'll find out if there's going to be a major pop to the sell. I don't like it because I got a couple of resistance points here, and then we can go from there. Was that the other chart I was looking at? Let's see if this was the other chart I was looking at. So 11,435 will be my marker. Yeah, so right down here. So if it does start pushing, I'm going to do a quick sell here. Now let's see what our trade map says. Beautiful trade map. Beautiful trade map. So if it starts pushing, I think I might take the sell. Let's see if there's going to be a buy pop, and then we can get in. And we'll see. We're going to find out right away here. Numb hands today. So 87, 50-point drop. Let's see what Delta does. I just want to watch Delta right away here in the first minute and see if she's starting to push. I just want to see if there's a fake out punch. We'll watch this, and all three. They're all starting to break. And how many more seconds before they open? Do I have it anywhere? I thought I had it somewhere in one of my charts. I'll watch the Delta. 55. I've got carpals today, guys. Okay. 29. Any Delta selling? Let's see if this thing's a bounce. Let's see if it pushes straight up. Let's open this up a little bit more. I want to watch this. Look at the buy-in. Look at that craziness, eh? Okay, we're going to get right into that zone. That's what I was worried about. And then I'm going to put a sell stop market on 77 here.
Order submitted.
I think it's going to do the reversal. If it doesn't, then I'm wrong, whatever. Oh, she really moved. 79 to 519. Are they trying to break the zone? Is it a lot of Delta? Not overly that much. We got into that sweet spot zone I was telling you about. We're at 0. And if she breaks through, then we can keep on going. How far can we go? 540. Let's see here. Give it minute number 2. Let's see if it breaks this pivot zone. If it breaks this pivot zone, then we can go in. There's a rejection, minute number 2. Let's open this up. I think that's a rejection to come back down. Let me just check my other charts here. Minus 24, 27.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can keep on going down here. Okay, so 79, and I said it's going to go to, let's see if we can get a few $100s here. I'd like to get to the bottom of, come on, break it. We'll let her go now. Ooh, a lot of resistance there too, but she'll pop her down. She's playing around. We're on her sell side. Trying to whip everybody out, up and down, up and down. what we're going to do is once she starts breaking down here, she's going to break down right away here. And then what's going to do is we're going to try to get to this zone down here while they're finished buying and selling everybody out. And they're just still playing the volume point of control here. So they did the snap up, snap down, they're wiping everything off, and then they're going to push down. They'll get down to about 11,416 probably. We can get to 11,440. Here's the exhaustion starting. Needs to break 466. That's what we're trying to shoot for. Come on, break the 466. There is a mark an open area here. Can we get 300? Done.
Filled.
We're done for today. 335 bounces up. So basically what I was trying to do, even though it's very volatile, I wanted to wait for this to wipe out, get to the central pivot range, come back down. It's still too whippy, too volatile for me, for my liking. I really wanted to see it go up and then really fire down, but now she's just going to go back and forth. So let's just scalp $300 and we're done for today. And no, she might go up, might go down. We're still at the VWAP. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trade safe. If you have any questions, email me or just go on the Discord. The indicators are on the Discord, so you guys can try them out. Other than that, take care. Have a good day. Bye.